Hey guys, welcome to Unaka Gear Co. I'm Brad. Today we are going to show you how to install our new Easy Step onto the rear ladder system base kit. So first up, we're going to go ahead and take this out of the box. Most of these parts come pre-assembled. So we've got the mechanism for the lock on there and then the Easy Step itself. So we'll take the bottom cover and the rubber cover off of this. Take the knurled knob, get that tightened on here. We have wrench teeth here so you can get that nice and tight with a wrench if needed. We'll take the Easy Step. I like to have the foot peg or the fold down step facing outwards. And we will insert, let's pull the pin and line it up. And now that is in the locked position. As you operate this, make sure you keep one hand on the Easy Step so it doesn't just fall. And then you get it lined up and that's ready to go.